for Salsa with Silvia. My name is Luis.
I'm Andrea.
And today we're going to be going over week 4 intermediate bachata. So your instructor may have a review of everything that they do from week 1, 2, and 3 to combine everything in week 4 and then demonstrate a little bit of new material as we go into our body waves, which is a distinction from our body rolls. Now that we are on week 4, we're going to go over our body waves. We want to make sure to go into dancer's position, which means that we're getting closer to our partner to initiate our wave. So we're going to go with our basic 1, 2, connect, 3, 4. I'm going to step 2 steps for my 5, 6, 5, 6. This step is going to be really close in place, making sure that your feet barely move. And all I'm going to do is bring my partner forward for 7, collect, 8, and then we keep going into our basic step. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So the movement for you follows 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and tap when you feel the movement like a wave. This is body wave. You just move your chest close to your partner and tap. You don't move your lower body. This movement is just your upper body. So your chest with your partner and tap. Okay?
As we go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, wave, 8, back into our basic step. So now we're going to use this in the various forms as we will go into cuddle position, which is another way that we will go into this. We will go basic 2, 3, prep your partner, turn, 6, 7, 8. We'll go into the chord beats, 1, 3, and then we will begin our 5 as we both step forward, leads on their left, follows on the right to go wave, 7, 8, then bring your partner out, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Same concept goes if we were to switch the hands. So I'm going to go here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, wave, 7, 8. Bring your partner out and connect with your partner here. So now we're going to put all of this together from week 1 to week 4 and show that how this would look like with music. All right, now we're going to put all of our moves from week 1 to week 4 as if we're social dancing and make it all different types of combinations. Here we go.
thank you everybody for watching. Muchas gracias a todos por mirar nuestros videos. You're done.
Congratulations. If you feel like this class was a little bit too hard for you, you can check out our Intro to Bachata or our Beginner Bachata classes if you go to our website or check out our classes on Instagram. And if you feel like this was just the right level and you're ready to move up, you can go into our Beginner Central Bachata classes. We look forward to seeing you at our workshop classes or our social on the third Saturday of every month in DC or Bethesda. And
see you next time. So thank you very much everybody for watching. So thank you very the last one. Thank you very much.
thank you very, thank you very, very, thank you very.
Time.
Boom. Go.
No, al otro lado.
Wait,
No,
¿atrás? ¿Yo aquí o tú?
Claro. No, pero podemos preparar y ¡pum! Ah.
I like that. Okay, so yo voy a hacer, ¿sí? Okay, I like it. I like it. This is my new partner in crime.